Hi, I'm Lucas and I'm a Year 13 learner at Nexus. I'll be going to the UK and I'll be doing the musical theatre course. I've been at Nexus for nearly 4 years now. I think it's really rare to have a school where you wake up every day excited to go. I think I'm very lucky to have enjoyed my school years here, and it's been some of the best years of my life. I think Nexus has just pushed my passions. Nexus just has really good opportunities for experiences, and I don't think I would have got that at any other school. It's not a very big school, so we all have a really good bond. I know all my teachers really well, and I have good relationships with my teachers in class. I have great friends, and it's such a nice thing to come to school every day and be excited and ready to actually go in and learn. And I think if you're in that good mindset, it's so much easier to learn.